Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizalvina Devi Maharani. In this video, I will discuss strategies for doing TOEFL test. Okay, first, I will discuss strategies for listening section of TOEFL. The first strategy is to try to listen with full concentration and focus on the conversation that you hear. If we concentrate on listening to what the speaker said, it will facilitate us in resolving the question of listening to TOEFL. The second strategy is at the time of part A, short conversation. There are several strategies including focus on hearing in the second person, don't panic if you can understand the word in letter as a whole. You have to do is capture the content of the conversation. Next, understand the form of expression of the functional as agreement, uncertainty, surprise, enigmatic, suggestion, and others. The example of question: what does the man mean? What does the woman mean? The third strategy is at the time of part B, long conversation. There are several strategies including when the narrator reads the direction of part B, you should read the answer just at a glance. The record it imagine what then will be a conversation. Next, during the dialogue, concentrate on the first sentence, so you can guess the topic of conversation and can guess what the next will convey. Next, focus on the 5W8 question, because the question inevitably begin with what, when, where, who, why, and who. The example of question: what is the main topic of this conversation? Who is the guest speaker? What will the man probably do next? The first strategy is at the time of part C, short lecture or talk. There are several strategies including focus on the first sentence. Generally, the first sentence is the main idea or topic that is being talked about. In the matter of, usually there is always a question about the topic or main idea what is being discussed. Usually there are always instructions first in it turn off the part listening. Well, what you should do at this moment is at the time to work your eyes to the available answer in multiple choice, so that you can suppose or imagine the question of what is suitable to be answered. This will help you to focus only listen to anything related to the answer options that are available. Next, learn to conclude. When you're listening, try to think of 5W8 question, what of the monologue and imagine. Moreover, try to make a conclusion about what if talked about, because in the first there will be a question asking about the conclusion. Next, remain calm. Always focus and calm during the listening test is the key, because if you're completing a little talk will immediately be dispersed. So be careful in the part, because of this monologue there will be no repeating. Then empty the answer as much as possible. The example of question. First, question about the main idea. What is the main idea of the talks? What is the talk mainly about? What are the speakers discussing? What is the suitable for the lecture? The second question about detail. What does the woman say about? The third question about the purpose. The fourth question about implication or meaning. Next, strategy for structure and written expression section of TOEFL test. The first strategy is to find the subject and verb in a sentence. A few sentences in English usually have only one subject and verb, and find both distinct in a sentence is very important for you. Identify the subject and the verb in the first way for you to be able to answer the question TOEFL structure easily. In a fifth sentence, the subject and the verb can be found easily. However, there are some sentence structures that sometimes make you confused in determining the subject and the verb. Therefore, it takes a lot of practice so you can get familiar with the sentence structure in the TOEFL test. The second strategy is please note carefully the respective answers are available. After identify the component of the sentence, which are the subject, predicate, object, and also an verb, it will be easier for you to find out which option is right to fill the short text in the sentence in question. In answering question about TOEFL structure, you need to pay attention to what components are missing from the sentence of the options that are available. Don't answer it before you read the whole question and available choices because sometimes all the answer choices will look right unless we read it word for word. The third strategy is to do a process of elimination. If you have read repeatedly and also answer options that are available, you still can answer it. You can do a process of elimination. Try to eliminate as much as possible part that is disturbing. The first strategy is to note the words which are underlined. For the matter of the TOEFL part written expression, you need to pay attention to a word or group of words underlined. This discover quickly which part is not right. And the last strategy is make sure the sentence structure that you see is already parallel. A very important part to note in answering question TOEFL written expression is a structure of parallel line. Next, strategies for reading comprehension section of TOEFL test. The first strategy is skimming the text reading before you see the question. Don't worry if there are words you do not understand. The second strategy is view or check the question to know the part of the text where you need to read more carefully. The third strategy is scanning the paragraph to find the part that needs to be read intensively. The fourth strategy is try to understand the meaning of words you don't know to pay attention to the context of the sentence. The fifth strategy is check the question again to make sure that you really have to understand the question. The last strategy is then answer the question. Try not clear answer. Okay, so far for me, thank you for listening to my presentation. See you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.